Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy mini Nutella or hazelnut spread cheesecake. Cheesecake is such a wonderful dessert and it's one of my family's favorite dessert. So we have here in front of us 250 grams of white biscuits or any plain biscuits you can use. 70 grams of hazelnut, we're going to chop that up. 125 grams of melted butter, 50 grams of the Nutella or hazelnut spread. And that is the base, and for the fillings we have 350 grams of Nutella or hazelnut spread, 500 grams of cream cheese, 60 grams of icing sugar, and to garnish on top we will have the hazelnut. We're going to chop that up as well, and then chocolate sauce to drizzle on the plate before we put the cheesecake on top, and the 2 mini muffin tray. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to chop the hazelnuts for garnishing on top. So we're going to take this out and leave it aside. Next, we're going to chop the next packet for the base. Now we're going to add in the packet of biscuits. To break some of the biscuits so that it will crush better. And now all the biscuits is all crumbed up. The hazelnut, we're going to add in the butter, melted butter, and the hazelnut spread or Nutella spread. Well. So now it's ready, all mixed in the base. We are going to line the mini muffin tray with 2 teaspoons of the base until it's all finished. And using a container, I'm going to press them in. So just put about 2 teaspoons. So we're going to carry on scooping that until it's all done. So now we're just going to press the base of the biscuits down. So using a container or a small glass that will fit just the right size, that's what you do. So now it's all done, all pressed down. We are just going to leave them in the freezer now while we carry on doing the filling for the cheesecake. Okay, now we are going to do the filling for the cheesecake. So add in the fruit processor, just add in the cream cheese, 100 grams cream cheese, and the icing sugar, and you're gonna beat it until it's smooth and all mixed in. So next we are just gonna mix in the hazelnut spread or the Nutella spread. Now the filling looks like it's all mixed up. We are going to pour that into the base of the cheesecake. We're going to get it out of the freezer now. So now we are going to put the filling on top of the base. So using a spoon, just going to put So we're gonna finish transferring all that filling evenly into all the base. So now we're just gonna level up all the filling. So using a spatula. Now it's all been smoothed up. So now we're just going to sprinkle the chopped hazelnuts on top. So we're going to carry on doing that until it's all finished. So now we have put the chopped hazelnuts on top of the cheesecake. Cheesecake is now all ready to be put in the freezer for overnight, and we can serve tomorrow morning. So here is our Nutella or hazelnut mini cheesecake already. It's been put in the freezer for overnight, so now it's ready. So we can just move the cheesecake up, just slowly push out the bottom, just like that, and beautiful. Yeah. So to serve it on a plate, we can just put it on a plate with the chocolate sauce. So we can put it on the plate like that. It can be put in an airtight container and put back in the freezer once you take it out. And we can just put a whole hazelnut on top, if you like. Decoration on top. So this will be great for any celebration, for parties, or even for Christmas coming up. Or for individual serving, we can just put the squiggle on a plate. Put it on top of that. Just hazelnut on top. So lovely. So yeah. So that is our hazelnut or Nutella mini cheesecake. So here is our Nutella or hazelnut mini cheesecake. You can decorate it on a plate. It's great for parties or even for Christmas coming up. Or you want to serve individually on a plate, you can do so. Even with a side of ice cream, a scoop of ice cream will be delicious. So hope you enjoyed today's baking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.